Most traders lose money during consolidation season. They get trapped in fake breakout over and over again. But what if I tell you there's a simple trick from our previous trick that I was sharing with us that professionals use to actually perform so well in a consolidation period without being trapped? In this video, I will be continuing and taking this simple trick into an advanced trick that traders are going to be trading consolidation and getting result from it. I will be showing you exactly how to turn consolidation into consistent profit using an advanced breakout trap strategy. Consolidation is where the price moves sideways, creating confusion, fake signals, and frustration, especially for beginners traders. But smart traders don't avoid consolidation. We don't avoid consolidation. They exploit it. Like today, I will be breaking down a powerful breakout strategy trap that you can use in Forex and boom and crash. Can use it in synthetic indices, etc., etc., with a clear rule and a real logic behind it. I remain Mr. Joshua that teach traders how to trade the smart way. Now let's dive into what we have. If you remember vividly, I told us that for you to be able to identify a consolidation zone, price must move sideways. Price must move sideways. It means that there is a range bound around the price. There is a range bound around the price. Now, price begin to give equal high, equal lows, and then you can confidently draw your support and resistance, and then price moves around the support and resistance. Now, indicating that you are in a range zone. You are in a range zone. Now, this is where most traders get trapped because they don't understand how first to draw the support and resistance very well. Now you can watch the part 1 of this video and then come back to watch the part 2, which is the advance of the first part, so that you'll be able to understand how this works. Now you can only buy when price has break above the support zone. You buy when price has break above the support zone, and you sell when price break below the resistance zone. So you need to be careful. Have this at the back of your mind. Now the problem is most breakout in consolidations are fake, and traders are unable to understand when it is fake and when it is right, when it is true. Now let me explain to you how you can be able to identify when breakout is actually fake. Now, when the breakout is actually brief, it is a fake breakout. Immediately there is a brief breakout, what follows is a quick reversal, trapping traders in a box of consolidation. Now, after having such kind of understanding, for us to be able to gain knowledge on this trap, we need to understand how support and resistance work, which is key, and then also understand candlesticks, rejection of candlesticks. Why? Because when you begin to see rejection of candles, it can be rejection of a high price, rejection of low prices. It gives you knowledge of where the price is going. So now I just gave a revision of what we did in the past video. Now let's move to the advanced strategy here. Now, to increase accuracy, you combine your relative strength index, your volume spike breakout, and also rejection of wick. Now, two things I want to actually emphasize on: volume spike, rejection of wick. They are our key advanced strategy. Now, what is wick? Wick is actually the shadow of a candlestick. Wick is actually the shadow or the tail of a candlestick. Now, it signifies rejection of prices. For example, look at the screen right now. When you begin to see such things in the market, now, please. When you begin to see such things as this in the market, is a proof of rejection of low price. You see long wick. You see this long wick here is a proof of rejection of low price. But when you begin to see it at the top, such as this now, is a proof of rejection of high price. Rejection of what? Of high price. Have it at the back of your mind. They are proofs. And the truth is that market work with them. Rejection of high price and low price, market work with them especially. Then we're having volume spike. Now, volume spike has to do with the release of resources, which is volatility in the market. Now, when the market makers or the dealers introduce money into the market, it has a characteristics of volume. That means there is actually supply or demand of a commodity. When there is high volume, there is high demand of a commodity. If there is low volume, there is low demand of a commodity. So with that, you'll be able to know. Now, when you begin to see price moving quickly in a direction, it means that there is high demand on that particular commodity in that particular time. So put it at the back of your mind. That is the two ways in which we can filter this. Now, what are the common mistakes to avoid when trading such? What are the common mistakes? You see, we are actually trading live trade right now. We're doing live trade, so and it's not story, it's not kululu kalala. This is live trade. We are doing it, and I'm doing the video on a live trade. So you will know that what I'm teaching is what you can practice. Now, common mistakes. Number one is entering immediately after or before a breakout. Now, you need to wait and confirm. You don't just enter because there is a breakout. You need to confirm. And then most at times, traders actually trade messy or unclear range. When the range is not clear, the resistance, the support is not clear, please don't trade. Why? Because when you trade it, you are going to lose money. Definitely are going to lose your money. And then ignoring confirmation candles. You need to focus on candlesticks because they are called confirmation candles. They confirm the direction of the trend. If it is truly going that particular direction, there is rejection, there is of price, or there is actually momentum, high momentum or something. Now it will show you. And then over trading, every small consolidation you want to trade, please avoid it. It is not all consolidation that you should trade. There are some consolidation that you should never trade. So these are the two videos I have concerning consolidation or range market, so that traders, especially the new trader, can have an idea of how to trade it. Thank you so much for watching this. The market is designed to trap impatient traders, but once you understand how fake breakout works, you can flip the game and start profiting from those traps instead of falling into them. If this strategy opened your eyes, if you love this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more high-level trading secret. And if you want this video to go more viral, be part of those that will share this video to your family and friends. Let your friends know about this particular page on YouTube. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Have a great day. I remain Mr. Joshua that teach traders how to trade the smart way. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.